if you're a coach, you want to build a real business. Right? I mean, a real business, not just like making 5K a month online. Woo! Like, I mean, like a real business you can scale 20, 30, 50, 100K a month. This is for you. Like, this is foundational. If you do not have this, I don't see any realm of possibility how you could scale your business. Like, I don't know. I don't see it. So I was speaking to someone the other day. All right, coach, giving them advice, how to scale, blah, blah, blah. And they said something that truly pissed me off. Like, truly, I was like, how are you here? And basically, I said something along the lines, yeah, I think I know what I should do, but I'm just like, I'm not motivated. I don't have the motivation. I'm just sitting there. I'm like, what? Like, what do you mean you're not motivated? Like, I don't know about you, but like, if you don't have just like the innate motivation to make more money, build a business that's impactful, have freedom, provide for your family, like what are you doing? Like, how are you here? Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't make these, I don't build my business. I'm not here to like motivate you and like really hold you accountable. Oh, make sure you're doing your tasks, your action plan. Like, no, I'll give you the playbook. I'll give you the exact things to do. But like, what do you want, a babysitter? Like, how are you here? Like, what are you doing here? I don't get it, man. Like, I don't know if I'm crazy, if I'm just built different. But some people are just not meant for this. And like, if you need like a babysitter to make sure you get simple tasks done, to simply make sure you actually work, you don't just scroll on your phone. Like, how do you expect to build a big business? Like, how do you expect to build something that generates you a lot of money? You don't have simple discipline. You're literally not a disciplined person. I mean, I remember a time period where I was making, I was bringing home about like 10K a month or so in my coaching business. And I literally convinced myself I was going to go homeless because it was like kind of a rut. We had some up months and then we had these down months. I was still bringing in probably around 10K a month, which is like, good income, decent income for, the average person. But I was pissed because I knew I was capable of so much more. So I like convinced myself I'm going homeless. Like, this is not good enough. And I was hyper motivated. I would literally wake up at, it sounds crazy, I'm probably like a psycho, but would wake up at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and then just like start my day, start chugging, Monster Energy, start my day. Because I was freaking motivated. Like, I had this vision in my mind, like, for a long time. I want freedom. Like, I want the cabin in the mountains. I want, the wife, the family. I want to provide them everything. Everything. Like, that's just innate to me. That's just, it pisses me off if I can't do that. If I don't have what I think I need to have. That's just me. I think that's like foundational. Like, you need to be like pissed if you're not where you want to be. All right. I honestly, I routinely get pissed off. Like, this might sound crazy or, I don't know, dark, but like the real ones know. Real ones, if you're a true like high achiever, you have big goals and you're not there yet. Like, if you're in ruts or you have down months, you get a little bit pissed. You get a little bit mad, frustrated. Like, that's fine. All right, it's kind of like a feedback mechanism. If you have like a bunch of down months and you don't get pissed, you don't feel something, I don't think you're meant for it. I don't know what you're doing. Like, it's simply a feedback mechanism. Like, if you just feel good, like, oh, dude, no problem, business is down, but I don't care, cool. Like, you're probably not meant to scale this thing. That's the truth. All right, I'm a big believer in growth. It's very important to me. So even if I don't need more money for like living expenses or providing for my family or whatever, I just want growth. Like, I want to win the game. That's what I'm here for. I think if you have that mindset, and you're someone who truly wants growth, you just want to win. You just want to get better. You want to win the game. That's what's going to keep you in the game for a long run. That's what's going to help you beat out all these, competitors, where 99% of them are just watching motivational videos because they need motivation. Like, I don't need motivation, man. I'll wake up and I'm ready to rock. I have a reason. Like, I have a freaking reason. Recently, I also, it was about a week ago at the time of this recording, I actually got engaged to my girlfriend. So we're engaged now, and she got me this ring on my finger. So now, now things get a little bit more real. Now I have a future wife in the next year or so. have a family coming after that soon. So now things are getting more real, and I have even more motivation. All right. A trend I've found in my life is every time I take on more responsibility, more motivated, more disciplined, whatever you want to say. When I moved out of my parents' house into, my first apartment, more motivated, more disciplined, because I have to. I don't have a choice. All right. I don't understand how people are like so inherently lazy. Like, I don't have a choice. I have to pay rent. All right. I have to make payroll. I have bills. All right, I have a family soon. Like, I need to secure the bag. I don't have a choice. Man, like, this is like the one thing that pisses me off. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's different levels. Maybe it's different levels. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you think below. Comment if you think I'm being crazy, or comment if you think I'm right. If motivational is just so bare bones to success, like discipline is literally level one. Like, it's level one. Like, it's the first thing you have to accomplish, is being a somewhat disciplined person. That's level one. If you can't do that, how do you get to level two? How do you actually build a consistent business? All right, I'm done ranting. I'll cut it off. I'll chill out. I'll be more positive for the rest of the day. But if you're watching this, hope you have a great day. If you are a coach who wants to add at least 10 to 30K a month in new revenue to your business, we can work together. I do work on a pay on results basis. Take a fee up front, but the rest is pay on results. So if you are interested in that, click the link in the description. We can chat. But you're awesome. You're a legend. And I'll see you in the next one.